PC WizKid here with something from GearBest.com. This something that I've got is a TV box. For those of you that are interested in maybe running Kodi, maybe you've got Plex, maybe you're just transferring movies over from your NAS drive and you just want to watch them, well, the Android 8.1 that comes installed on here has quite a bit of features. Now, if you're looking for something cheap, well, this could very well be it. For those of you that have limited funds, under $30 US. That's right, you heard me right here. $30 US and under. Plus, I think it's free shipping right now. I'll add the link below if you're interested. Comes with, a considerable amount of features. Nothing groundbreaking here. I mean, 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of ROM. Has Wi-Fi built in, 2.4 gigahertz on that one, and Bluetooth. Supports 4K, which is nice at the H.265 codec. And it's using the processor, the ASRock chip 3229, for those of you that are interested to know, this quad-core A7 CPU, the processor that's in there. Again, nothing groundbreaking, not necessarily the top-of-the-line TV box. There's much better out there, of course. You can spend up to $100 and get something that runs much, much better and has more features. But take a look. I mean, at the back here, you've got quite a bit of outputs there for your audio and video, so you're good to go, especially with the HDMI plug, which is basically all you really need, and tons of USB 2.0 ports, no USB 3.1, a little bit disappointed about that, but a memory card slot, which is nice, so they've added that in there, and of course your infrared for the remote that it comes with will be through there, so you'll have a blue LED indicator. And that's pretty much it. You got some holes down here for some ventilation. Obviously, it's quiet. There is no moving parts in here, so that's a big plus. And very lightweight. In the box, along with it, you're going to get the remote control, like I mentioned. Does the basics on there, nothing fancy. Personally, I have some issues with the mouse control that it has. It has a mouse feature in there, but I do like the regular options for just tabbing and controlling the menu items. And there's your adapter, by the way, and the HDMI cable, which is nice. I'm glad they added that in there, so it saves you the hassle of having to go out and buy the extra HDMI cable for that. And then a basic manual that says smart device on there. Okay, so how smart is this really? Well, I mean, it's an Android box. I mean, think about it as a basic Android phone using the standard interface that you would find on an Android device. Nothing fancy, very bulky, basic. Not the best user interface, to be honest, that I've seen. But the remote obviously is going to be a lifesaver, because if you didn't have that, I don't know how you would use this. So menus at the bottom. You can add shortcuts, which I did. I added Plex, Kodi, YouTube, things like that. Or you can scroll around the menus with your remote control. That's pretty responsive. I mean, getting around is pretty easy and intuitive since there's not that much going on. You can see there under the YouTube, I click on that, up it comes, and then from there, I'm videotaping here my TV screen that I have this plugged into. I have a 40-inch TV that I'm using as an example. And then you can launch here your video. I'm just going to launch already here the video that I did on this motherboard, so you can see, and you can fast forward. It's pretty snappy on the interface. I mean, the quad-core CPU that it comes with is adequate. It's, again, not the latest and greatest, so that's the part that kind of worries me a little bit. But again, under $30, you're able to watch movies. You're able to watch YouTube. You can do the basics here on, watching the videos that you've got on your LAN. You can obviously connect an external hard drive to this and watch videos off of that if you wanted. Under $30, well, I mean, cheap gives you only the basics, right? I'll add the link below to the GearBest deal that they have for this box. Let me know what you think. And again, thank you for watching.